Hi students, welcome to my channel Rakesh Tutorials. Today our topic is 10th class mathematics sets chapter exercise 2.3 second question. Consider the following sets and fill in the blanks with is equal to or not equal to so as to make the statement true. A is equal to, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to the first three natural numbers. The first three natural numbers, it is nothing but 1, 2, 3 only. First three natural numbers are 1, 2, 3. Next, C is equal to A, B, C, D. D is equal to D, C, A, B. E is equal to A, E, I, O, U. F is equal to set of vowels in English alphabets. So students, set of vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this is F set. So now compare the sets. First one is A dash B. Here some questions is given. So here we have to fill with is equal to or not equal to. So A, B. See the relation between A and B. A is equal to 1 to 3. B is equal to also 1 to 3. So both are equal? Yes, both are equal. So A is equal to B. Next, second one, AE. AE. See, A is equal to 1 to 3. E is equal to AE, IOU. So both are equal? No, not equal. So A is not equal to E. Next, C and D. C is equal to ABCD. D is equal to DCAB. See, in C, A there, D also. B, B, C, C, D, D. So all the elements in CD are same. So C is equal to D. Next, relation between D and F. D is equal to DCAB. F is equal to set of vowels in English alphabet. That is A, E, I, O, U. So D and F are equal? Yes, not equal. Next, fifth one, relation between F and A. F is set of vowels in English alphabet. That is A, E, I, O, U. A is 1, 2, 3. So both are equal? No. F is not equal to A. Next, relation between D and E. D is equal to DCAB. E is equal to AEIOU. Both are equal? No. Both are not equal. Next, relation between F and B. F is set of vowels in English alphabet. That is AEIOU. B is equal to the first three natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3. So now F and B are equal? No. Not equal. F and B are also not equal. So these are the answers right now.